Hello friends, I am Sangeeta and I welcome you to my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. Please support me by subscribing my channel and hit the bell icon. So today I will be showing you a simple and easy Dhaba style Kadhai Chicken recipe. It's little spicy but very flavorful dish. It's actually a mixture of freshly ground spices which brings the tempting and spicy flavors to your chicken. So without wasting time, let's start. Here I have taken 4 medium-sized onions. Now finely chop them. Now in a heated kadai, take 3 tablespoons of oil. One by one add 4 to 5 bay leaves, that is tej patta, 3 to 4 dry red chili, that is sukha lal mirch. Now saute this for few seconds. Then add the finely chopped onions. Now fry the onions in high flame. Add little salt as this helps the onion to cook fast. It will take almost 8 to 10 minutes for the onions to turn golden brown. Now once you see the onions turning into golden brown, add 1 kilo washed and cleaned chicken pieces. Remember, no marination is needed here. Just directly add the chicken pieces. Now fry the chicken pieces in high flame only with the onion until you see the color of chicken is changing from pink to off-white. It will take around almost 5 minutes. Now we'll add ginger paste. I'm adding 4 teaspoons of ginger paste and 4 teaspoons of garlic paste. And again saute this very well for around 7 to 8 minutes until the raw smell of ginger and garlic goes away. You can add little water if needed. In the meantime, we will prepare the masala for our kadhai chicken. For this, in a separate kadai, add 3 dry red chili, 1 teaspoon of peppercorn, that is kali mirch, 10 green cardamoms, that is choti elaichi, 1 teaspoon of coriander pods, that is sabut dhania, 1 cinnamon stick, that is dalchini, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera, and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, that is saunf. Now roast everything in medium flame for 2 minutes till you get the beautiful aroma from the masalas. Now take this in a mixer grinder, and now I'm adding 4 medium-sized tomatoes. As this kadhai chicken is a thick tomato paste gravy, I'm also adding 3/4 cup of fresh coriander leaves. Now we will make a smooth paste of all these ingredients and we'll add this into our chicken and again saute this very well with the chicken. I'm adding the masalas. I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of haldi powder, 4 to 5 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 4 teaspoon of dhania powder, 2 teaspoon of jeera powder, now mix everything very well and cook this in high flame and keep sauteing for 10 to 15 minutes. You should cook the masalas very well. That is very important. Add salt as per taste and again give a quick mix. Now I'm adding 7 to 8 green chilies. You can also give chili paste as per your spice preference. Now mix everything very well. Now I'm adding 4 tablespoons of well beaten curd, that is dahi. Now again mix this very well for around 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'm adding 1 glass hot water to my chicken. You should always add hot water only, otherwise the cold water will ruin your taste. Now I'm adding 1 capsicum cut into cubes. The gravy consistency should be thick, so add water accordingly. Now again give a quick mix and cover the lid for 10 minutes and cook further in medium flame. Now after 10 minutes open the lid and see the consistency of the chicken. And now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of fresh cream to make the Kadhai chicken more malaidar. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of Shahi Garam Masala and handful of crushed kasuri methi. Lastly, I'm adding fresh coriander leaves. Give a last quick mix, switch off the flame and cover the lid for 5 minutes. And your dhaba style malaidar Kadhai chicken is ready to serve. Serve this with roti, paratha, rumali roti, butter naan, kulcha or with your regular rice. Just give a try this aromatic chicken recipe and I'm sure that you will love this. If you like this recipe then please share with your friends and family and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.